Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 5 update with Nicole. So how's it going, Nicole?
It's going.
Okay. So are we still on track or?
I'm a little behind,
Okay.
but not discouraged.
Do you think you still can make it to to your final goal on week 10 and week 20?
Yes, in fact, I feel very motivated today.
Okay. So how much total weight loss so far?
8 pounds.
8 pounds. Okay. So are you satisfied about the result?
Yeah, I haven't gained any weight. I'll
Yeah.
take the 8 pounds off.
Okay. That's so. Was it finding? Like, did you find it challenging last week?
No, I didn't feel like it was challenging. I just was eating some things that I didn't realize
Yeah.
I shouldn't be eating. So that
Yeah.
was kind of messing with the
Yeah,
weight
because we're
loss.
still learning, right?
Yes.
Like officially, we're starting the diet on week 11. Overall, looks like we're still on track.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Excellent. Perfect. Thank you so much, and I look forward to have a update interview with you next week.
Sounds good. Thanks.
Thank you.